The main idea is the river. The wind now is blowing the wrong way. But if you look at the ends, it's moving with the current. This is the border between east and west, Poland and Belarus. So I make 2 points. 1 point and 1 point on that side. So it's moving currents with an S, plural. So there's 2 movements at one time, and it's all together to 1. Huh? The materials grow over here. The reeds I use, I like them, but we pick them on this side down the river and about 2 kilometers up the river. And the grasses are here and over here. Same kind of grasses, so I mix the 2. The trees are picked where there are many trees. This is an aspen tree with little leaves. The life is 30 years and then it dies. But these are small trees where there's many, too many. So I clean the forest by choosing my trees, but not all the trees. Just the ones that were under the bigger trees that had no chance to live. So I did not destroy anything really. It is bound with linen, and in Polish it's len, and hemp, and jute, which is all organic. And when the work falls down, it goes down the river and it causes no problems, it just rots. Life, it has a magic life now, and after it will fall apart and disappear. But go back to nature, in the cycle of nature. I never made a work like this one before, and I've been working 35 years making art like this. This one has this wave pattern. It has the ends playing with the currents. Because first I came here thinking I'm making a work on the water, but then the river is very important because the river flows. We have a problem with the beaver. And the beaver comes in the night and takes 3 off yesterday, 4 off this morning, and that's a problem. So nature and the animals and everybody has their way. So if the nature takes it away or the beaver takes it away, this is beaver land. Not Poland and not Belarus land. It's beaver land. Jarek or Eric? Jarek. Saw me on Facebook. And I think because I made a comment about someone's work from the Ukraine. So there's earth artists from Ukraine that do interesting pieces, and I found them. And I made some works a few years ago, 2 winters ago, in the snow where I live, because we had a very good winter, lots of snow, very cold, and I walk in the park where there's water, but nobody, when I was a boy, they would take the snow away and we'd go ice skating, you know? And now they don't do it. Nobody goes ice skating, they're all on the computer. Too bad. So I go there and I make my art on the snow. So I sent 2 images to Ukraine and they showed them in an exhibition in Ukraine. Good. And then Jarek must have seen some communication. He posted something and I never say I like it. I always say something about it. Some substance, not superficial. And then he saw that, and then he saw my work, and he invited me. Wonderful. And I have no idea what this place is like. When you see a picture from the winter time, you don't know what's in the trees, you don't feel it until you're here. So I came here with no idea, and when I'm here I had to figure out where to work and what do they want from me. I work in water much, and so I says, what do you want? He says, you work in water. So I work in water. Why not? But I work with a graphic image and with nature, and it's all conceptual too. I don't understand any Polish. And then when they come over and they watch me from the Belarus side, I say, Hello, Conrad. Hello, Conrad. They don't answer back. Why don't they say hello back? Don't they know? I'm giving art for them and for us. So in the beginning, now you really want to know the truth? The beginning, I make a big sign in Russian and I write, welcome. We are artists. Come see our art. And I put it on the sign down there for the Belarus people to read and see. So it's there 2 days and it disappears.
Yeah?
I think the Polish guards took it away.
Yeah?
But I don't like people who hate each other. Life goes on. And it's more happy to be with joy. And when I make my art, I'm happy making art. It's a challenge, but I'm happy. So I'm singing. That's my singing tool. So we have a little bit of a problem. Not supposed to be in the water. 15 meters from the shore. And then I make the work here and I'm told the line between the two countries is down the middle. Then another person says the line is where the heavy current is. So the current is on that side. But 2 days ago I look at Google Earth and I'm right on the Belarus border. So let it be. The birds fly free, my art must be free. Right? Okay. There we are.